How to remove recently played list on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps if and how you can remove your recently played list or delete your recently played list on Spotify. Well, first question is, can you remove it? Well, you can, but there is no any direct option to do so. Spotify doesn't provide you any direct option to delete or remove your playlist, or it doesn't give you any particular option to remove any particular song from your listening history as well. Now, the method that I apply here to delete mostly is if you log out your account. So log out your account from every single device that you're logged in on. Make sure you're not logged in on any device. If you're just inactive from your account once you're logged out for a couple of days, then once you log back in, your recent history will be cleared. Unfortunately, other than that, there is no any option to do so. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.